So hex we're probably all familiar with, right? It's the base 16 representation of a color. So if you didn't go to computer science school or you don't understand like this, that's totally fine. Hex means hexadecimal, so base 16. So we count in base 10, so digits 0 through 9. Binary is base 2. Hex is going to be base 16, so you'll have the digits 0 through 9, and then also the letters A through F. That's kind of where that comes from. So we're probably pretty familiar with hex. You probably are also familiar with RGB. So this is the additive color mixing model that we just looked at previously. So it mixes red, green, and blue light sources. RGBA is the same as RGB, but it has a fourth parameter, alpha, that represents the opacity of each pixel. And lastly, you probably haven't heard of this if you don't work with designers regularly, but the CYMK value, it's the subtractive color mixing model that's used in print design. I didn't actually know that there were two different kinds of values. Like I just assumed printed media was the same. Like I just assumed it was all RGB. It's not. So that's fascinating.